So this is how you can add a watermark to your videos in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for CapCut. Today you will learn how to add a watermark to your video. Keep watching until the end so you don't make mistakes. Let's start by opening CapCut. Now, to make a watermark, you're going to need to add text. Just simply tap on text at the bottom of the screen and then just type whatever you want. For example, I'm just going to type hello as my watermark. And here is my watermark. I'm gonna put it at the bottom left corner of the screen just so it doesn't take up the whole space. And now you're gonna want to go to style. This is where you can style the watermark. Now, I recommend putting the opacity to down so that it doesn't take up the whole screen, and it's still gonna be there. It's just going to not obstruct anything. You can also change the colors, you can change the stroke. If you want a yellower stroke, just add this and fix it a bit. And that is how you make a watermark. You can extend the clip to fit the whole video. And that is it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.